A bunch of design changes are expected to come to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, but just how different will the phone look? New leaked images allegedly show the Galaxy S24 Ultra side by side with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, showcasing alterations to the phone's design and the all-new titanium chassis. The images first appeared on Taiwanese blog Sogi, but have since been deleted. They seem to show the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra from the side and base, giving us an idea of what sort of changes we might expect. The S23 Ultra is in black, while the S24 is apparently the beige model. At first glance, the two phones don't look all that different though. It is clear that the metal frame is a new material. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's frame features a metal with a sparkling effect similar to that of the titanium frame on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. It's also smoother looking and could have smoother edges, though this may just be a trick of the light. The 24 Ultra also looks slightly thicker, which is reflected in the volume rocker and power buttons. The camera lenses also protrude pretty prominently, though it's not like we were expecting that bit of design to change next year. We will still be getting the separate lenses Galaxy Ultra phones have for the past few years rather than a unified module. Finally, it looks as though the S24 Ultra has slightly flatter edges, with the S23 Ultra sporting rounder looking corners. The titanium frame will no doubt make the S24 Ultra feel like a more premium device, especially where weight is concerned, but it's unclear how much or less comfort the new edges might offer. We have seen leaked renders showcasing what the Galaxy S24 Ultra could look like, but it is nice to see what appear to be pictures of the device in real life. While we can't be sure that these photos are legitimate right now, we don't have all that long to wait for the official announcement. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to launch in mid-January, possibly on January 17. Until that time, we will likely see a bunch more leaks and rumors make their way online. And you can catch up with all the latest ones in our Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy 24 hubs.